Hello guys, today we see another LeetCode daily problem 67924 game. Here it is given some one array and we need to check whether the sum or difference or multiplication or or division, it should be equal to whatever operation you perform, it should be equal to 24. So if you see, these are some operation. If a plus b means we take two number and sum this number, or we can take two number and different find the different, or whatever these operation we do, we should be find 24. And if it is if we got 24, then we return true, otherwise return false. So let's start. This is LeetCode hard problem. Here you can see this is given a card of length 4. This given content, this given array contains 4 element, and 4 card each containing number in the range of 1 to 9, and it should be the number should be 1 to 9, and you should be arrange the number this card and the mathematical expression using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever operation you want to do, you can do. But it should be the we can check it should be the result should be 24. So here you can the division operation represent the division, not the integer division. So for example, here 4 divided by 1 minus 2 divided by 3 whole is equal to 4 into divided by 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Like that we can do. So here what we do, here it is given, you can see here, it is given an array, and here it perform first minus, and here also it perform minus, and whatever we got we multiply these two number and we got 24, so it is written true. So what we do first, what we do, we create another method, uh, public boolean boolean calculate CLC calculate. Here we pass the list double, and here pass the norm. What we do, we find the length of the array in n is equal to norms norm dot length, and here we check if the length is equal to 1, then simply return the absolute one. Otherwise we do we iterate the for loop and pass the do the operation. So here what we do, check if n is equal to 1, means if we contain only one element, then what we do, we return match dot absolute, and here we norms norm dot get 0 minus 24.0, and it should be less than 0.000001. Otherwise we iterate for loop int I is equal to 0 and less than n I plus plus, for int j is equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus, and here what we do, we initialize n1. Here the length of the what we do, double n1 is equal to here we initialize two number n1 and n2, and whatever got the particular index in that list we can store n1 norm norm dot get I. Similarly, for double n2 is equal to norm dot get j. Now we create two. First, we create one array list where uh, we pass create one method. There we can pass these two number n1 and n2 and do the operation like these addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever we want to operate, there operate and store in this list. So list double is equal to double operation operations is equal to calculation calculation. Here we pass n1 and n2 and create an array list double next is equal to new array list. Here we check for int I. Oh, we already take I and j, so here we take k is equal to 0, k less than n, length of the uh, cats, then k plus plus. Here we check if k not equal to I and k not equal to j. We check if k not equal to I and j, then next dot add in the next array list we can add the norm dot particular index in that norm. So next dot add norm dot get k. We create another for loop for double o in operations. Here what we do here, next dot add that o and uh, okay, here what we do, we call this method calculate method and here we pass the next and we check if the this one is then means here we recurse return true, otherwise what we do, we remove that in the next dot remove next dot size -1 and simply in last return the return false. Now here we create one calculation method. So let's create one calculation method, private list double calculation. Here we pass two number a n1 comma int n1 and n2 int n1 int n2 and here maybe we got some boolean double number, so we can update it to double, change to double. Here we already take double, so that's why we take double. And what we do, we create a list. It should be double result is equal to new array list, and what we do, we simply add the operation, whatever the operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we add in that result. So result dot add, first if you see this one, here what we do, if a plus b, if a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5, so a plus b is equal to 9. Similarly, if we calculate b plus a, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, so the a plus b is equal to b plus a, same. Similarly, if we check the operation like 2 cross 3, means a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, then 2 cross 3 is equal to 6. Similarly, 3 cross 2 is equal to 6. So no need to write two times, so we can write once times also. So here what we do, we write n1 plus n2. Similarly, a result dot add n1, no need to write for again n2 plus n1, because as we know n1 plus n2 is equal to n2 plus n1, same, but we write here n1 minus n2. Result dot add n1, here we also take n2 minus n1, because if you minus 2 minus 3, then we got minus 1, but if you subtract 3 minus 2, then we got 1, so it should be changed. So we can add another one, result dot add, here we use the product for product, n1 into n2. Result dot add n1 divided n2. Result dot add n1 n2 divided n1, and simply return result. And what we do here, now we call this 2, this calculate we call in this method. So first we create an array list double uh, here we also result is equal to new array list, and here we write for uh, here we can write like C in cars here already. What we do, we update this result dot add double, here what we do, we typecasting that double C, and simply return the let okay, now let's run this, let's see if we got an error, then fix. Here we see some error. Okay, here it should be okay, let's fix this. Here it should be Let's run this again. Okay, error cannot find symbol num kn is equal to, here it should not be length because it is list, so should be size. Let's see. uh, it is running successful. Let's submit this. Here it is submit successful. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.